Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the precise data range and adding a helper column. In that helper, enter equals countif, $1.2, $100, A2. This marks the first occurrence as 1 and later repeats as greater than 1, so you can identify duplicates without altering other cells. Once the formula is filled down, make sure the helper column is visible for filtering. This step explains why we don't delete rows. Once done, apply a filter on the helper column to display only entries with countif greater than 1. With those duplicates visible, carefully select the target column cells you want emptied. Do not select whole rows. Then use Home Clear Contents to blank the duplicates. This keeps every cell in its original position, so nothing shifts. Make sure to clear only cell contents. Deleting rows would move everything up, which is exactly what we want to avoid. Finally, remove the filter and delete the helper column after verifying the blanks are correct. If downstream formulas rely on contiguous data, convert affected ranges to values first so references don't change. One key troubleshooting tip: if blanks cause errors, replace cleared cells with a safe placeholder or use IFERR and isBlank checks in dependent formulas. If something went wrong, revert to your backup or use undo immediately. That prevents accidental data loss and preserves cell layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.